Cosmic horror stories. Two black holes that are terrifying astronomers. In the vast darkness of space, two black holes are putting on a show, giving astronomers sleepless nights. This Halloween, we're diving into real cosmic horror stories unfolding right now. Part 1. The Serial Killer Black Hole. 215 million light-years away. Our first story begins in a faraway galaxy, where a supermassive black hole has developed a taste for stars 5 years ago. Astronomers witnessed something extraordinary, a cosmic crime in progress. A star had wandered too close to this cosmic predator, an event astronomers named 181910 Keeks. Over 5 horrifying months, we watched as gravitational forces ripped the star apart, stretching it into a ring around the black hole like cosmic spaghetti. Half of the star's remains fell into the void. The other half, that's where our story gets even more interesting now. Another star is caught in this cosmic trap. Every 48 hours, like clockwork, it crashes through the remnant disk of its dead companion, creating spectacular X-ray fireworks. Dr. Matt Nichol from Queen's University Belfast explains it this way. Imagine a diver repeatedly hitting the water's surface. Each splash is like the star crashing through the debris field, creating massive bursts of X-rays. Part 2. The Impossible Triple. That's not the only cosmic mystery keeping astronomers awake at night. Just 8,000 light-years away, in the constellation Cygnus, lies something that shouldn't exist. Meet V404 Cygni, a triple system featuring a black hole 9 times more massive than our Sun, a close companion star it feeds on, and something impossible, a third star orbiting from an incredible distance. This distant star circles the inner pair every 70,000 years, from 300 billion miles away, a distance that defies our understanding of how black holes form. According to everything we know about black holes, this shouldn't be possible. When a star dies in a supernova explosion to form a black hole, the blast should have sent this distant companion flying into space. Part 3. The Scientific Mystery. This has led scientists to propose something radical. What if this black hole formed without a supernova at all? What if, like a ghost, the star simply vanished? While this is possible for massive stars, V404 Cygni's black hole is surprisingly small, adding another layer to the mystery, as Dr. Kevin Burge from MIT explains. These cosmic horror stories remind us that the universe is stranger than we imagine. As we watch these distant dramas unfold, we're learning that even our most basic assumptions about black holes might need to be rewritten. Whether it's a serial killer black hole hunting its next meal, or an impossible trinity that shouldn't exist, these cosmic mysteries continue to haunt our understanding of the universe.